Welcome. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to pitch and pack down the Sibley 500 ProTech double door tent. Let's get started. The 500 ProTech double door comes in 3 carry bags, one for the ground sheet, one for the canvas, and one for the center pole, 2 A-frames, door poles, pegs, guy lines, and a spare parts kit. Unroll the ground sheet. The straight edge marks where the door goes. Secure the ground sheet using the small pegs. Start at the door and work your way around. Pull it tight as you go. Time to zip the canvas to the ground sheet. Position the door correctly, start zipping there, and continue around until fully attached. Fasten the hooks to raise the ground sheet or leave them open for a flat entrance, handy for sweeping or wheelchair access. Unfold the center pole and make sure the eyelet is at the top. Bring the center pole into the tent. Press the top against the roof, then position the base in the center of the ground sheet. Assemble the A-frame at the door, place it at an angle, remove the rain cap, and insert the pin through the canvas. Push the frame against the fabric and place the bottoms into the ground sheet sleeves. Tie it to the tent and replace the rain cap. Attach a guy line to the door and tension lightly. Repeat on the other side and zip the tent fully closed. Now tension the remaining guy lines one by one all around the tent. Align each line with a seam. Use at least 2/3 of the line's length for proper tension. The tent is up. The tent features 4 mesh windows. The double doors also come with full mosquito mesh protection. The Sibley 500 ProTech double door offers 360-degree mosquito netting. Time to pack up. Loosen all guy lines around the tent. Remove both A-frames, push the frame up slightly, lift it from the ground sheet sleeves, and fold it. Grab the center pole at the bottom and walk it carefully out of the tent. Detach all guy lines and remove the pegs, including those from the ground sheet. Fold the tent in half, then fold it twice more. Tip: use the carry bag to check the right width. Roll the tent tightly towards the bag and pack everything up. Your Sibley 500 ProTech double door is packed up and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching and happy camping.